Hello and namaste. Let's learn Hindi. Welcome back, guys. I'm very excited to record my first chapter. And today we've been focusing on the Hindi vowels and the 13 alphabets in Hindi, um, or of vowels, and we call them swar in Hindi. And consonants, we have 36 alphabets, and they called Vyanjan. So the total is, let's see who can work that out. 13 plus 36 is, and my little one just yelled out to me saying 49. She's sitting right next to me. And we have a picture of the girl on the side, as you guys can see as well. Just give you a bit of a background on that. It's actually my 8 years old decided to design that, and she literally just used the PowerPoint to do that, and I was quite amazed to see that. And I have never seen her using PowerPoint, so she wanted to do something, and I said, "Well, why don't you design something?" And she actually ended up doing that. She said, "Let's just put that on the side." So I said, "Yeah, sure, no problem." And now my 5 years wants to do something, and I said, "Well, I'll use that to get next for my next recording." So here we go. All right, so let's start. For anar, a for arm, a for anar, a for arm, e for Emily, e for ek. And my actually little one again, the 8 years old, decided the Emily Tamarind, and yes, she actually did that as well, just using the PowerPoint presentation. And so just going back again, E for Emily, E for Eek, and then we have U for Ulu, U for Un, U, Ulu, U, Un, and then we have Ri for Rishi. Rishi is a saint. A, Eri, A, Anak, A, Eri, A, Anak. Eri is ankle, and Anak is actually your sunnies or glasses. So, yeah. And then we have O, Oakley, O, Aurat, O, Oakley, O, Aurat. And then we have Ang, Angur, grapes, and then Aha. The last one is actually was quite excited. I was just trying to work out if there is anything with that. So it's a from my own research, and you guys feel free to do your own research as well. It's actually more used in a Sanskrit than in Hindi. Couldn't really work out anything to come up with that word, but I think it's more towards the Sanskrit. So, yep. So Angur, Aha is in Sanskrit. That's pretty much it, guys, for today's recording. So it's pretty straightforward. If you think of it, I'll just quickly run back for you guys if you like, and that's pretty much it. So if you think of it, it's only actually about 3 minutes of recording of the actual vowels. It's not that actually difficult, to be honest. Just a bit of bit of practice, I suppose, and just give you guys a bit of myself as well. I've been out of India as well for 20 plus years. So this is quite a new to me as well. And now I haven't actually read Hindi myself for in the last 20 plus years as well. So it's been quite a while for myself as well. So, but I'm quite excited with all this now. So yeah, I'm actually getting into it, and I'm sure you guys will as well. So yeah, it's very exciting. So I'll just quickly run that through again. Anar, a, arm, a, anar, a, arm, e, Emily, e, ek, u, ulu, u, un, u, ulu, u, un, ri, rishi, sent, a, eri, a, anak, a, eri, a, anak, and then we have O, Oakley, O, Orat, O, Oakley, O, Orat, Ang, Angur, and Aha is the last one. Voila. And we are all done, guys. That's pretty much it. Now, just try to go over it to you a couple of times to just to understand and the meanings and and I guess a bit of a shape as well at this stage. If you can just familiarize with the words and the shape of these words, and that will become more easier as we start to do a little bit of more with the after the alphabet. So yes, it's very exciting, guys, and can't wait to record my next video soon. See you soon. Goodbye and namaste.